Carrier can implement a comprehensive 5-yearly overhaul program designed to restore your system to its original and optimal performance. There's no escaping from aging equipment, but we can prolong your equipment's lifespan and discover hidden problems. Our teams will evaluate and plan appropriately to customize a proactive upgrading schedule based on chiller running hours, conducting a vibration analysis, or through monitoring your digitally connected chillers with Abound HVAC performance. Addressing our customers' most essential needs and pain points is at the heart of everything we do, which includes reducing downtime and lowering significant costs in major repairs. Chillers that experience frequent breakdowns, reduced efficiency, and worn out or damaged components can benefit from chiller overhaul service. Some of these benefits include prolonged equipment life, reduced unexpected failures, lowered maintenance costs, and greater optimum operations. Carrier offers a centrifugal and screw chiller overhaul for you to experience these benefits for your chiller plant. Our overhaul program also ensures that your chiller continues running at its peak condition. Identify and seize the right opportunities for your chiller plant. Reach out and speak to your local Carrier expert today.